Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a quick tool haul for some power washer accessories or adapters from Walmart. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody? How's it going? Alright, so before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon. Alright, so I went to Walmart and picked up some high pressure quick connect conversion kits. And I originally grabbed 3. My wife was with me. She's like, well, with all the accessories and stuff we have, maybe we should get more. And so I ended up going up to the register with 5 of these kits, and I scanned it 6 times because I'm like, you know what, I might as well just make it even, because I'm one of those types of people that I absolutely cannot stand odds. It's just who I am, you know, it's the way I am. But so these are all rated at 5,000 PSI. These are 3/8 in quick connect sets, and the reason I picked them up is just to have them. I have a box down here with pressure washer couplers and everything in it, as well as compressor couplers and fittings in it as well. And these are 3/8 instead of 1/4 inch. So you can actually get more flow rate as well as a higher PSI rating out of these in particular. And we're just going to cut them open real quick. I'm going to kind of do, you know, unboxing and everything in the same video. So these are high pressure quick connects kits. Fits most brands. 3/8 inch quick connect, max 5,000 PSI. Converts pressure washer trigger handle, spray wand, and hose from threaded to quick connect if you don't have a quick connect on them. And I'm a firm believer in getting more than you need, and you know, even if you don't need it, grab it anyways, because you might need it later on, which is why I grabbed these. So we're just going to cut these out of the packages. I'm going to end up putting them in. So this package is actually broken, but couplers should be fine. This is that Warrior power cutter that I like so much, which I need to buy another one of because I like it that much. My wife likes this unit as well. I use this a lot for cutting these the plastic off of packages like this. You guys have been seeing me use it for well over 2 years now, or 1.5 years or whatever, since they came out. It's a great unit. I use it to also cut up cardboard for burning, because every tool I buy, I cut the boxes up and then I burn them in my fire pit, and then we put that in my wife's garden to feed her plants, instead of throwing it in the dumpster to be thrown in a landfill, or to be put in the recycling bin of my dump. I have a recycling dumpster as well. I have 2 of those. I actually have 2 recycling dumpsters and 1 regular trash dumpster, because I try to recycle everything that is recyclable. Even this plastic right here that I cut up, I put in the recycling bin, because it is, the company around me will recycle pretty much anything that's recyclable. It doesn't matter what kind of plastic. You can even put styrofoam and stuff like that in the recycling, which is nice. I'll do my part to make sure that I don't leave this planet worse off the best I can when I leave it. So I got all the plastic cut up. There is information booklets inside these, like that. which is why I didn't throw them to the side. But those guys right there. So just to quickly show you, this is a 1/4 inch quick connect right here. So this will not go onto this one at all. But the way this is set up, so this goes into this guy. This is the male and the female, and you can convert them. But this side right here actually has a thread and a nipple and a couple O-rings. And the reason I wanted to show this to you guys is because it's meant to allow you to thread to an M22. So it's now threaded, so if you actually wanted to connect multiple of these units, you can. So if you wanted to connect like 4 or 5 wands together, you could. That's what these are meant for. So you just thread a regular M22 wand on. And some of them come with that feature, like this guy right here, which is the Power Care 36-inch pressure wand. It actually comes with the 1/4 inch version right here, so that you can actually pop this into the end, and then you could add another wand to it, so you can actually put multiple wands together. So I have a 36-inch, I have a 31-inch, I have a 21-inch, which is the one I just grabbed to show you that, as well as I have a 10-inch and a 12-inch wand. I like different length in wands for different projects, but these are just to upgrade it from a 1/4 inch quick connect to a 3/8 quick connect, and 3/8 will allow more PSI rating than a 1/4 inch. 1/4 inch, in some cases, I should say, in some cases 3/8 will provide more PSI, because it could have more. If it's a 3/8 wand, as an example, there's more water in the wand at all times, or the lance, as some people may call them, which is what I just threaded and unthreaded to this coupler. So more water in the lance while it's pressurized can build a higher PSI, but also shrinking the hole for the water to go in, like a 1/4 inch, could also bring higher PSI too. It's just depending on what you're doing. But these are male M22 threads. So this is a M22 thread. I'm pretty sure by looking at it. Yes. It is an M22 thread. So it threads to this just fine. Then you could connect another one if you wanted to, like that. You can thread another one to it. But you're not going to do this in real life. I'm just showing you so that way you know. That it is a standard M22 male thread. So these are standard M22 threads, nothing special, which is your standard thread that's on a lance or the wand. Like I just showed you that because I hooked a wand to it. So these gaskets seal in here, and then you thread this to lock it in. I just picked these up because in case they're ever needed, I have them. I didn't particularly need them specifically right this minute, but if I ever want to upgrade any wands or anything like that, I can. That was mainly why I picked them up, because I can upgrade. So there's 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6. So that's everything I picked up. That's everything I'm going to show in the video. These are Allens. You can put an Allen in here if you need to break these loose from something. You can always run a straight Allen down. To hold this still, maybe this sees to a wand or something like that, or maybe it sees to one of these style couplers. You can always put an Allen through here while it's connected like that, and hold this coupler still while you twist this off. So that's just another option, nice option that they provide. So that's everything I picked up. You know, nothing extremely special. Just picked them up as me being a firm believer in picking things up when they're available. If you don't need them, if I never use them, then, you know, somebody else will use them down the road. My kids will probably say, hey, I need something like that, or hey, you know, because I have thousands and thousands of bolts, nuts, washers, you name it, block washers, flat washers, washers in different thicknesses. You know, I have a huge selection of oil and diff fluid and transmission fluid selection at my personal house. So if, you know, my kids are building something with a project and they're like, oh, I need this, this, and this, I tell them to go out and, you know, go through the bins of all the hardware in the barn. As well as I have a ton of these Husky style containers in the house with that have a bunch of hardware in them as well. You know, every version of screw you can think of, I probably have. Kind of got the habit from my dad, which collected screws and everything like that as well. So, you know, that's why I'm a firm believer in picking up extras, even though they're not needed or not needed at that moment. And, you know, they'll eventually either be used, or I'll give them to somebody that needs them, or somebody that needs them will take them. So, nothing wrong with having extras or picking items up, even if you don't need them. Do appreciate you guys stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!